So good morning everyone, good morning ma'am. So I'm the next reporter. So my topic is core pathway opportunity identification. So please everybody read.
An opportunity could be in the form of a new product and or service, new markets, newly opened distribution channels, new ways for production or supplies, or new methods of organizing.
So this core pathways is explain the different way entrepreneur recognize and create business. So this core pathway is opportunities through research, discovery, available resources, and creative design. So there are four pathways, and the first is find pathway. Please read.
Assure that opportunities exist independent of entrepreneurs and
Are waiting for a big one. Generally, an opportunity is found when entrepreneurs sees a clear problem and develops a solution. The problem is not too much, but the entrepreneur is the one who acts on the potential solution.
So in this find pathway, is a person noticed that a common problem in daily life. So na-realize, sa find pathways, realize it can become a business idea. So sino example or common problem in daily life sa being students? Okay, Ana Lu.
ma-wait, school supplies or kumbaga papel.
So do yun yung problem, pwede natin yung urat sa scenario. So for example na si Ana Lo, na-notice na nga mga classmate hay wait school supplies or mga papel. So nag-decide gimaw nga magbakay magpapel dito sa mall para ibaligyan na nasa mga classmate para mapagkitaan.
Ay, brahon ka galit doon.
So do yan.
Brahon.
So, another example is nga si John Mark, na-notice pa na nga what snack nga gabaligya una sa karintin. So, nag-decide man ni Mao nga magbaligya man it mga juice, mga another foods, baga yun. So, number 2 is the search pathway. Everybody please read.
Use when entrepreneurs are not with definite type of business
They want to jump in, hence they engage in an activity search to discover new opportunities.
So, in this search pathway is a person intentionally looks for business opportunities. So, they conduct research, study market trends, observe customers' needs, and analyze problems. So, for example, si Maria ay nag-research yung mga kabuuan niya students ay need affordable printing shop. So, nga magapit sa eskwelahan. So, nag-decide din mga after studying the demand, ay nag-open din mga small business nga printing shops para sa nga magapit sa eskwelahan para may mabakran. Next is the perfect pathway. So, please everybody.
Uses the entrepreneur's skills, knowledge, and abilities to unearth an opportunity that suits him. Such opportunity comes from the experiences, abilities, networks, and entrepreneur's confidence to make action, especially during times of uncertainty.
So, in this this pathway starts with the what the entrepreneur already has, such as skills, knowledge, experience, and connection. So, instead of waiting for the perfect idea, they use their available resources to create an opportunity. So, for example, di ba may aton nga sa tiyan nga baligya kita. So, example ko ay si Saiza. Si Saiza is sayod na kung paano man na mag-ubra in datong atang business. Like, yung pastillas graham. So, sayod yun na may skills yun ni Mao. So, may mga baking tools, may mga ingredients yun sa anda. So, ginamit na natin datong anang skills para mag-ubra in datong business at mapagkakitaan. Dato na, gamit rin na sa selling homemade na sa online. And
oh my God, -1 ka.
Wait lang.
I-explain mo na.
Design pathway. So this focuses creating opportunity by deeply understanding customers' needs. So the entrepreneur uses creativity, innovation, and problem solving to design products or services to solve problems. So, for example, si Carlo nag-interview yung mga students at nasayra na kung struggle the students na to. So, he designed the simple student planner app para mabuligan ng mga students na ma-manage ang downtime. So, in the summary of 4 pathways, the 5 pathway is happen when an entrepreneur discover opportunity by observing problems in the environment. The search pathways involves actively looking for business opportunities through research and study, and the effectuate pathway is focuses on using available resources, skills, and connections to create an opportunity. And the design pathways involves creating new understanding customers' needs and developing innovation. So, I have here a short activity. So, may scenario iya, pero ginahulaan nyo malang kung alin mo sa ACAD, mana find pathway, search pathway, effectuate pathway, and
Design.
pathway. So, everybody's
Design, yeah.
pathway.
If-
Effectuate pathway.
Effectuate.
Alin mo man ako?
Find pathway, search.
Find pathway na
Find pathway, search pathway, effectuate pathway, and design pathway.
The find pathway is
Taga-notice mo it,
search pathway.
is gas.
Oo, gakandak it research. Sa effectuate pathway.
Taga-use it available nga mga tools.
And the design pathway,
Ano, design? Nalipat niya na ako. Ano to?
the creating opportunity.
Okay.
Sa mga customers' needs. Find pathway. So, everybody read.
As students noticed that many classmates skip breakfast because the school cafeteria opens late, she decided to sell affordable homemade sandwich outside the school gate early in the morning. She found the opportunity by observing a common problem.
So, alin mo ra? Find pathway.
Find pathway.
Alin do flow ha man naging find.
Notice na Arno.
Na-notice
Notice.
na nga.
Nga nga classmate hay waga breakfast.
So, nag-decide mo nga mag-validated products. So, find pathway. Next.
A graduate studies market trends and learned that organic vegetables are in high demand in Manila. After
conducting surveys and research, he starts a small organic farm to supply local markets.
he searched and analyzed data before starting
The business.
Alin mo ra?
research pathway.
Ama nag-research pathway.
Kasi nag-conduct san daw. Ang may research man nakalagay.
Tama.
Perfect. A woman who knows how to bake and already owns an oven starts selling customized cakes for friends and relatives. She uses her baking skills, kitchen tools, and social media account to begin her business without a big capital. She created the opportunity based on what she already had.
Oh.
Tagmaytwait. Effectuate.
Effectuate pathway. And the last is
A group of students interview commuters and finds out that many people struggle with heavy bags during rainy season. They design a waterproof backpack with built-in rain cover and USB charging port. They created a new product based on users' needs. Design pathway.
okay. So the summary is the 4 pathways to opportunity and identity, education, work, community involvement, and personal skills guide individuals and developing their identity and achieving success. Each pathway important role in building knowledge, responsibility, values, and self-awareness. When these pathways work together, they create more opportunities and help individuals live purposeful